Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Msi EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop, NVIDIA GB10, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. Have you ever struggled with slow AI models that just can't keep up with your creative vision? Well, those days are behind us now, thanks to the incredible Msi EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop. This thing is a game changer for anyone looking to supercharge their AI workflow without breaking the bank. So who is this product for? Essentially, it's for anyone who works in AI development, research, or enterprise applications where performance and efficiency are key. Whether you're a professional developer, researcher, or just a serious enthusiast, the EdgeXpert has got your back. Let me tell you, people are getting super excited about this thing. Reviewers have been raving about its ability to handle large AI models with ease, and I can see why. The EdgeXpert's NVIDIA GB10 architecture is like a beast when it comes to processing power, delivering up to 1,000 TOPS of AI performance that's simply unmatched by most other desktops on the market. But what really sets this thing apart is its massive unified memory. We're talking 128 GB of LPDDR5X high-bandwidth memory that allows for seamless handling of large datasets and AI models without any bottlenecks. That means you can work with those massive 200 billion parameter models without worrying about running out of RAM. Of course, all this power comes with speed. We're talking lightning-fast storage with a 4TB Gen 5 SSD that's basically the fastest thing on wheels when it comes to loading times and data access. It's like having your own personal supercomputer right at your desk. Another feature that's really got people excited is its connectivity options. You've got Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, USB 4 Type-C, and even high-speed networking options including ConnectX-7 for those low-latency, high-bandwidth environments. This thing is basically a Swiss Army knife when it comes to connecting your AI gear. Now I know what you're thinking, is this thing really worth the money? Well, let me tell you, after using this baby for a while now, I can confidently say that it's worth every penny. The performance is unmatched, the build quality is top-notch, and the ease of use is almost absurd. I've had some friends who are super picky about their AI workflow, and they were blown away by how seamless the EdgeXpert makes everything feel. They love how easily they can switch between tasks without any hiccups or lag, and how fast the storage and memory make everything load up. Of course, as with any product, there are some minor complaints to be had. I've seen a few reviewers mention that the power supply can get pretty hot during intense use, but that's a minor quibble compared to what this thing does well. In my opinion, if you're in the market for an AI supercomputer that won't break the bank or take up too much space on your desk, then the EdgeXpert is definitely worth considering. It's not perfect, but it's so close that I'd say it's a must-have for anyone serious about AI development. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.